have done something. It's gooey. It's disgusting. Ah! Meet your new family. Hey you guys, what is up? It's Andrea and welcome back to the andreaXandrea channel. A little bit closer to the peach today. I wanted to mess with my setup and make it like... Today, you guys, we have something so special lined up. You guys know that I love challenge videos. You guys love challenge videos. I always get asked, Andrea, will you do more challenge videos? And I don't blame you. I love them as well, and I'm super hyped to do another one. Which is why, when Elmers came to me and they were like, yo, do you want to do a crazy challenge video to push slime where it has never been pushed before, where slime has never been done before? I was like, heck yes. So I haven't been told a lot about the challenge. I think that they're gonna send me like a note or something letting me know where I should go later tonight. I don't even know what Elmers is gonna send me. I know that it has something to do with glow-in-the-dark slimes. If you guys are excited, you should hit the thumbs up button. I would really love to see all of you guys letting me know that you like the video. So maybe Elmers will partner with us again. I guess I'll check back in with you guys when they come and let me know what my challenge is gonna be. Okay, you guys, so I was told to come outside. They didn't really tell me anything. I'm not really sure what's going on, but they said to bring my camera. So, I don't know. Let's do this. So you guys, they said that it was over here somewhere. I'm not really sure where it is. I think maybe it'd be like over here a little bit more. Something like that. Somewhere. I think we found it. Okay, you guys, so I think we're gonna open this box right here, and I am so excited, but I'm also kind of terrified. Like, this looks like a lot. This looks like kind of scary. I don't know. What do you guys think is gonna be inside? I'm not really sure. Let's open it. Whoa. Wow. This is so much stuff. I wonder what we're gonna do with all of this stuff. Okay, let's see what this says. So it says Elmers what if? And then it says, can you survive a slime haunting? Will you be able to make your way through its creepy clutches? That sounds really scary. I don't know, will we, you guys? Is it possible to come out on the other side unscathed? Only slime will tell. Ooh. Okay, so I guess we're gonna be making like a haunted hallway kind of thing, you guys. This is gonna be crazy. So they sent us a bunch of stuff. I think we're supposed to go through everything in this box. So let's look at it right now. It looks like there's so much stuff in here. This is actually crazy. Look at all these spring toys. And it looks like, this isn't even the last layer. There's so much more in here. Wait, look at this. It just keeps going. Like there's no end to this box. This is insane. Oh my goodness. So it looks like there's a ton of stuff in here, but how are we gonna make this into a haunted hallway? How are we gonna, what if this slime? We have all of this. We have a fog machine, and then we have an army of spring toys and glue. All of these over here, and this is only half of them, you guys. We have these ones, we have all of these different glues, glow-in-the-dark glue, gold glitter glue, which is super cute. I am living for this. Ooh, pink. Ooh, yo, I've been wanting to buy some of this in stores. So cute. I'm gonna get to try that out. That's insane. I don't know. Let me know down below which of these glues would you want to make slime with the most. I'm really curious. Elmer's magical liquid. Cool. And then to top it all off, these boxes are empty. There's more toys in here. So I've been unboxing and there's more spring toys in here. You guys, if this is not the most epic what if Elmers challenge that you've seen, I owe you all a spring toy and some glue. Like, look at how that glows. But all of the bottles started glowing too. It was so satisfying to watch.
Then we're just gonna finish up all the different colored batches so we can start decorating our hallway. So let's do that right now. Some glow-in-the-dark slime mixing ASMR for you guys in 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys, so I did stop by to get a few more spring toys that we're gonna put up before the grand reveal in a few seconds when we're gonna shut off all the lights and everything. Then after that, I am so excited. I think we're gonna do a little bit of a challenge. Okay, you guys, so I think we finally have everything set up. I have all of the curtains up on the hallway. It is gonna look super sick. I have my first spring toy and we've covered it with slime. You guys are not gonna believe what this looks like when we finally turn all the lights out. It's gonna be so fun. So let's test the first one. See what happens. Oh, it's scary. I don't like it. Immediately, I'm not really sure how we're gonna do this, so I guess we'll just... Oh, that's scary. Whoa. So when Elmers dared me to create this epic what if challenge, they told me these spring toys might turn into something with a mind of their own. That sounds so scary, you guys. To make that come to life, I'm going to cover all of my spring toys in different colors of glow-in-the-dark slime. I'm going to be trying to match the colors of the spring toys to the colors of the slimes so that it looks like it's part of the spring toys. And I really wanted to create kind of a satisfying and creepy, drippy look to them, which I think turned out amazing. I loved the way all these toys turned out. When you stretch them, they even make these super, super cool bubble slime tubes. And I even created some crazy satisfying bubble pops with them. So this is like a new way to play with slime. So scary. We used so many different kinds of spring toys, so we had like different sizes and different colors, and I think it made it look really creepy and weird, and I love it so much. I love this challenge so much and what Elmers is doing because it got me thinking, what are some different ways that we can play with slime? Definitely let me know down below. Like, what was the craziest idea you've ever had in different ways that you can play with your slime? And now, let's get on with the challenge. I am so excited for this, but I'm also kind of scared. Something just crunched. Oh, let's just not touch anything. My strategy is to just stay next to the wall. I am stuck. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, excuse me, good sir. I'm through. Wait, we have to, oh, it's sticking to me. I'm coming back, I'm scared. No! Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna challenge myself to go down the hallway and try not to get any slime on me. So I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to do it. There's literally so many spring toys and so much slime. I'm also kind of scared, not even gonna lie. It looks really scary and dark down there, and I'm scared of the dark. My strategy is just to try and not touch anything. I know it's a really basic strategy, but I think it's gonna, oh, I stepped on something. It's gooey! It's disgusting! Ah! They're all sticky. It's sticky. But so far so good. I'm not glowing, so I think that's a good thing. I think the goal here, the strategy, if you will, is just to not touch anything, which is really hard because there's There's a lot of stuff here. Okay, we just have like a little bit more. You guys, it is so dark down here. I can't even see anything. Ah! Oh, there's so many spring toys. They're all over. I'm stuck. I'm coming back. I'm scared. I'm scared. Ah! Oh, it's everywhere. No! I'm stuck to the floor. Ah! I'm through. And that was it for this challenge, you guys. Definitely let me know down below. Do you guys think that I made it through the entire challenge? Did I win or did I lose? And now we definitely have the answer to the question, what if my slime was haunted? If you guys like this video and you want to see more challenge videos, kind of like this one, then head on over to the hashtag Elmers What If. They're going to show you a ton more challenges and a ton more crazy what ifs, so definitely check that out. If you guys want to follow me, all my social media is down below, so definitely check that out as well. I love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!